Hey y'all, Ashley here with Newton Ridge Hobby Farm. I wanted to take a moment to do a really candid video, a real video. I've been gardening in one form or another my whole life. And I can tell you one thing that most gardeners, farmers, all of that we hope for is rain. We usually hope for rain. This year in Arkansas, we have had so much rain. I feel like it hasn't stopped for 6 weeks. And I wanted to share with y'all what it's done to my garden. It could be kind of disheartening. It's a lot of work that gets ruined by something that really can't be controlled. But I wanted to share it with y'all, and that way you could see where we're at, see the damage that we have, and you could subscribe and watch me rebuild it, because that's what I'll do, because that's what I like to do. But I wanted to show you the damage that too much rain has, and the effects that it has on my garden. My garden is a mess because I can't get out here. I can't mow because the ground is too wet. I tried to weed eat, that didn't work out so well. So it's all just a hot mess, and I'm going to share with y'all the hot mess that is the Arkansas rain of the spring of 2025. This is my squash. If y'all follow along, you'll see I posted a video a couple weeks ago where this was beautiful and alive, and I was picking my squash, but I'm getting fungus and black spot and all of this that I can't treat because it won't stop raining long enough for me to treat. So as soon as I can get out here, it rained today, I'm off of work now, but as soon as I can get out here, and I will cut off all the diseased leaves and see if I can't get it treated. You can see all the white spot there. I've tried treating it, like I said. The rain comes and just washes off the neem oil and washes off the copper, but all of that, just white fungus. So I'll trim back these leaves and see if I can't revive the plants, because in the center it's okay. Otherwise I'll have to just pull them and restart. Over here, it's just a hot mess. I still need to get stuff planted in here, get the old stuff pulled out, and I haven't been able to get to it because the rain is just so insane. We'll go to this bed, same thing, just it's all dead, and I have to be able to pull it to plant new. I've got some stuff in here that's not dead, but you've got more disease here in the squash plants, and as you can tell, there's just stuff everywhere because I try to sneak out here to work on it, and I can only do little bits at a time because I'm getting rained out. This bed, I can't weed it because it's too wet. I have potatoes in here that I've got to get dug up, and I did try to do it in the rain the other day. That doesn't work. I don't recommend it. 10 out of 10. Do not recommend trying to dig up potatoes in the rain. I've got a lot of my butternut squash plants here. They're just sad. The green beans are loving the rain. All these are green beans. They're loving the rain. It stunted the growth on my sunflowers. So these are supposed to be the Russian mammoths. They're tiny. The rain stunted those, but hey, at least they bloomed. My chickens will still love them. The berries are still hanging in there. This is all still those potato and old that I need to pull out. The berries are hanging in there. For the most part, I got a lot that I need to come out and harvest, but it's kind of hard to harvest in the rain. So hopefully we'll get out here before these get bad. I'll probably harvest a lot of them tonight. The thing that kills me is my grapevines. They're covered in black spot all over, just all over, and I'm afraid I'm gonna lose all of it this year because I can't treat it, because every time I try to treat it, it just rains and washes off all of the treatment, all that black spot, all those grapes. So if you have any suggestions on what I could do, I still have some grapes that aren't bad, but the black spot's definitely spreading. I really need it to kind of stop raining for like a week so I can treat my plants and get them all back to health. And look at that. Look at that. It's so rough. It's so bad. Overgrowth everywhere. Like I said, I can't hardly get to anything. Got some tomatoes out here. These are diseased. I have to come in, try to prune them up, see if I can't save them. Just that whole bed's just a mess. So just overgrowth, and it's a hot mess everywhere. So as you can see, like I said, I've been gardening most of my life in one shape or another, and I still fail. So if you're starting off new and you fail, don't be discouraged, because while this stinks, it does. And there might be some of my perennials, like my grapes, that I'm not going to be able to harvest this year, but that's okay. I'll treat them. We'll get rid of the disease. And if I have to trim them all back, then I have to trim them all back, but we'll start again next year. But a lot of these, it's still early enough in the season. It'll still be hot enough for a while that I can reseed and restart some plants and still get some in there. So while it sucks to see the garden like this, I could still bounce back. So if you're starting off new, don't be discouraged by little setbacks. Even your most experienced gardeners that I've known, farmers that I've known that have been doing it for 80 plus years, they have bad years too. They have bad seasons too. So keep it up, keep going, don't give up. If you have any tips for black spot though, leave them in the comments, that'd be great. Bye.